Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we got the DeerFamy weed puller. It got good reviews on Amazon. There's a couple people talking about the quality is outstanding. So we're going to put this to the test right now. For all my new viewers and old viewers, check in the description box below for an exclusive limited discount code. Do not pay full price. So you can see right here, you step on it, you put it directly to the weed, you step on it and you just like tilt the handle, it comes right out. So now this thing is really good quality of bamboo, really high quality bamboo. This here is a non-slip cover right here for the handle, so your hand don't really slip out of it. So let's see if that's true. Yep, that's good. So really good craft work right here, really overall good bamboo, and you got a screw right in there. So it's a 3-part, so literally easy. So the only thing you have to do, ooh, I love this metal over here too. This is really good. So all you got to do is put it in and screw it. Now, a weed puller is really good and very helpful in the lawn, garden. You don't have to bend down if you have knee problem, back problem. Beautiful logo right there too. So this right here is steel. Really good quality coated right here. Really nice heavy duty quality. This is not going to break over any weed. This here, once you take care of your tool, this will last for a long time. So what we're going to do right here is to just screw it in. That's all. It's very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos too. It's free. We tested all the product. You get honest review. This company does have really good review on Amazon. So we're going to put this bad boy to the test. It's about 47 inch in height. Very light and nice to use. This part, it just got a little bit more weight, which is good when you're going to be pulling out the weed. All right, so let's go ahead. So we got a dandelion here, and what we're going to do, we're going to want to stick it in right here. Make sure you get a good point, and then step on this. So that was easy. Let me show you guys. It's really easy. And you're going to tilt it to this side. See where that thing is, the lever thing is hanging on? We're going to tilt it that side. So you go like that, and then tilt it out. Holy smoke, it actually works pretty good. Look at that. The whole dandelion from the root is gone. Look at my camera so I can show you guys really close up. Look at that. And then what we're gonna do is basically like release it and you just take this out. Every single thing came out here, the root right at the bottom, everything from the weed. Now we got a little hole, but what you could do there, you could just like dish it up, patch it up, or take some dirt, put it back there, or plant some seed. But look, it did not take out that much dirt, which is pretty good. Some of them will remove about 4 inch of dirt, so this one did not. So this is pretty cool. Let's test another one out. Another one here. I'm gonna pop it direct there. Press down your foot, pinch it right out. Look at that. Pinch it right out. I gotta tell you, makes life easy. No kind of effort for getting this whole thing out. No effort whatsoever. What? Don't forget to check in the description box below for a limited time discount. I'm gonna find, I have a whole bunch of crabgrass over here. So we're gonna try. I put on the crabgrass preventer. Well, we're gonna see this. Oh, look at that. Crabgrass by the root. See that? All the root right there it came out. So that is what I'm talking about right there. One more I'm gonna do for you guys. Stop it right there, and then look, it pulls it out. Right out, man. Right out. You could get back that excess dirt and put it back and then reseed. All right, so far it works pretty good. It's a good quality overall, and I love the non-slip right here. I did not have to bend down, kneel down, no kind of effort or whatever strength or anything. I just got the hose and I washed it out to see, and you could see it's like a nice coating that did over here, so it's really nice. Good quality, as I said, very heavy duty and sturdy. And what I like, it did not pull out a lot of dirt, because I have some other ones that pulls out way too much dirt that we don't need it. Use this on certain bigger weed, dandelion, crabgrass and stuff. Do not pull out small baby weeds that you could pull out with your hands. Just use your hands. But this overall will get the job done. I like it. It's a really good product. All right, I'm not just trying to sell you it and tell you it's good. No, I use it, I like it, and I give a thumbs up on Product Zone. If it wasn't the best or it made cheesy, I will let you guys know my honest opinion. But the quality so far is the best quality I have on a weed puller. My other one was a plastic made. This one is a very sturdy. So this will last you for a long time.